Dear students, good afternoon all. This is a very, very important examination point of view. Very short answer question mark. It is a purely belongs to 5 marks question. So, you are very, very, very fully experienced in that what is the e-cash, e-check and smart cards. Basically, you have the full experience about the accounting information, banking information, business information, and financial information. So basically, these three words like a cash, check, and smart cards, those are belongs to mainly one special category is called banking transactions. Yes, we know that is called cash is called if you want take a some kind of transaction to traditionally, like a traditionally, we want for resources, for needs, for requirements, we want traditional cash, liquid cash, e-cash, electronically. Electronically means it is two different of traditional transactions. Means we have to make the e-transaction through e-cash. It is a purely electronic application which is used to transfer the funds from one place to another. One place to another, nothing but your account to your friend account. That's all. Simply say that e-cash is called as EFT, electronic fund transfer. But what is the meaning of e-check is there? Check means what? When we have to represent our amount, we have to represent our amount like a digital format. Digital format, digits like in numbers. Means in our account, we have the 5 lakhs rupees, for example. So we have to express, we have to take e-withdraw, e-deposit. Means I want to take that amount from my account through one digital format. Digital format is nothing but a numerical format. I have to represent 1 lakh rupees on the paper. The same paper will be represented into electronically. Into electronically is called e-check. Traditional paper of the amount will be represented into electronic process like a internet, like a digital form. We have to make that e-check. There is no need to go to bank. There is no need to express your feelings, express your personal information. Nothing is required. You have to simply enter the number, like a check number, and simply put a digital form of the check, then transfer to the bank. Automatically, you have to simply transfer the amount from your account to your friend, your account to your neighbors, your account to your family members. Everything is possible. And come to third category is called smart cards. Smart is the purely word is depend on via internet. Via internet means what? It is a purely internet based application. Card means which cards are maintain the information like a secret format into one kind of chip, one kind of integrated chip. It is called a smart card. Integrated chip lo emuntai? Question mark. So what are the included in that chip? So we have to include your personal information, your bank information, your transaction information, your business information. Everything is possible. So these small and a little bit of brief information about what is a e-cash, e-check, and smart card. As per examination point of view, how you should write about e-cash. E-cash, also known as electronic cash or digital cash, is a form of digital currency that allows for the secure, untraceable transfer of funds. Just I told. One of the key advantages of digital cash is its convenience. 24 by 7, you can simply transfer the amount from your account to your friend account. Means one place to another place, we have to simply transfer the funds into 24 by 7 process. So based on this, there is no time limit. There is no day period, limit. You can in the 24 hours, in the weekdays of time, you can simply transfer the funds from one place to another, one place to different kind of places. It is called convenience. With the digital cash, individuals can make payments and transfer funds online without having physical visit a bank or ATM. There is no need to go to bank. There is no need to visit the ATM, automatic teller machine. You have to simply transfer the funds from your account to your friends. And you have simply deposited the funds from your friend account to your account. Everything is possible. Digital cash is also generally considered to be more secure than traditional payment methods. Just I told. It is a very secure. Why? Because it is a fully integrated and secured by the one password. The password is only belongs to the concerned customer, the concerned consumer. If the password will be leaked by the second person, automatically we are facing the problem. That purpose, the banks will be announced the one kind of caution to every consumer. So please don't share your personal information, banking information, OTP, passwords to other person. It is a sensitive information. It's a sensitive process. So no need to share your details to others. The bank also giving that caution, like a caution. So I'm writing here, as it uses advanced encryption and authentication to protect against fraud and identity theft. మనకి ఫ్రాడ్ నుంచి కానివ్వండి, థెఫ్ట్ నుంచి కానివ్వండి, మనకి సెక్యూర్ చేయడానికి మనకంటూ ఒక సిస్టమేటిక్ ప్రాసెస్ కావాలి. దాని ఏమంటారు? డిజిటల్ క్యాష్ అంటారు. అలాంటి ఏం చేస్తుందండి? We have to use advanced encryption. Encryption is a part of cryptography. Encryption, authentication means what? This information will be secured by the one kind of secret format, like authentication. Protect against the fraud. There is no need to fraud by the bank and from the others, from the other unknown persons, and identity theft. That is not possible to hacking. So next, the role of digital cash in e-commerce is as it allows individual to make online purchases without having to provide sensitive financial information. There is no need to leak off your information, ma. You have to simply maintain the transaction with help of your simply online process. There is no need to type off your account. You can simply, for example, say that Phone Pay, Google Pay. So nowadays is very popular about these two categories, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. So you can చేస్తారండి. So when you transfer the amount, my friend called us, sir, please send 1,000 rupees very urgently. You simply type up 1000. That's all. 1000. It is called digits. Open the Phone Pay application. and you go to simply contact number and the contact person in your phone book, automatically open that person and type the 1000. That is indicates cash. Cash in digital formation. Is clear now? మీకు స్టార్టింగ్ చెప్పారండి. Means you have to mention your cash into digital formation. Other liquid cash ఏమవుతుంది? You simply go to ATM, draw the amount and simply go to the person and hand over to that person. But here is, there is no need to go to that person, bank, ATM. You can simply open the phone pay, type about 100 and apply the authentication number like a PIN number. Enough. Automatically from your account to your friend account, simply the funds are transferred successfully. The don't writing here. There is no need to sensitive financial information such as credit card information, banking account information. Nothing is possible. The digital cash is also popular among e-commerce merchants because it allows for faster and more efficient payment processing, like Phone Pay and Google Pay. With digital cash, merchants can receive payments almost immediately after a transaction is completed. Just I told no. Your friend giving the request, please send the 1,000 rupees. You simply typing 1000 and send. Automatically, within seconds, the amount will be goes to the person. Is clear, no? Today, digital cash is a very valuable tool for facilitating online transactions and has played a significant role in the growth of e-commerce. Nowadays, there is no e-commerce we can't expecting. Why? Because e-banking, e-marketing, e-shopping, very popular nowadays. Means all type of applications of e-commerce will be controlled by this e-cash. Why? Because there is no need to payment. How it is possible to make a transaction? If you want transaction means what? Automatically you are take the payment. అందుకే అండి ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఆల్వేస్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ EPS, electronic payment system. Clear, no? So there's small information about e-cash and simply take that as e-check. An electronic check commonly referred to as an e-check, also known as digital check. Just I told. ట్రెడిషనల్ పేపర్ని మనం స్కాన్ చేసి లేకపోతే పిక్ తీసుకొని ఫోటో తీసుకొని మన డిజిటల్ ఫార్మేషన్లో సిస్టంలో కానివ్వండి, మొబైల్లో కానివ్వండి, మన నుంచి మా బ్యాంక్ కానివ్వండి, బ్యాంక్ నుంచి మనకి కానివ్వండి, సింప్లీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసుకోవడాన్ని ఈ చెక్ అంటారు. ఇట్ ఇస్ అ ప్యూర్లీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ అప్లికేషన్. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ డిజిటల్ చెక్ ఈజ్ ఏ డిజిటల్ వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ట్రెడిషనల్ పేపర్ చెక్. ట్రెడిషనల్ పేపర్ చెక్ని మనం డిజిటల్ వర్షన్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డిజిటల్ చెక్ ఆర్ ఈ-చెక్ ఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ చెక్ అంటారు. An electronic check or e-check is a form of payment made via the internet or another data network. When you use an e-check, the funds are transferred electronically from the payer account to the payee account via internet. I repeat my words very carefully here. When you use an e-check, the funds are transferred electronically from the payer current account to the payee current account. Those who are sending the amount, payer. Those who are receive the amount, payee. That is a very important factor is there. Is clear, no? The check transfer the funds from one bank account to another, just I told. It is a part of EFT, electronic fund transfer. Then we go to your smart card. When you carefully observe this diagram here one integrated chip is there. The chip will be included. Which kind of information is there, ma? Look here, all of you. The smart cards can provide personal information or personal identification in the chip, authentication information in the chip, data storage of the customer, and application processing by the customer. So application include identification, financial, public transit, computer security, schools information, healthcare, every kind of sectors will be utilized this kind of cards. Smart means is electronic way. It is a purely electronic application. I'm writing here. A smart card is a chip card or integrated circuit card is a card used to control access to a resource. మీ అవసరాన్ని తగ్గట్టుగా మీ అవసరానికి వాడుకునేటట్టుగా depend on your requirement, we have to utilize one special card like identity purpose, like a display the personal information purpose, for banking purpose and authentication purpose. You can simply utilize this kind of card. I'm writing here, use it to control access to a resource. Access to a resource. Resource means avasram taggatti. Depend on requirement, we have to utilize the one card is called smart card is there. It is typically a plastic credit card sized card with an embedded integrated circuit chip. Integrated circuit chip is there. So this card was invented by Robert Noyce at Fairchild Semiconductor in the year of 1959. In the upcoming first internal examination lo రాబోతుందండి blanks లో question number 9 లో question number 7 గాని 9 గాని వస్తుందండి. The smart cards are invented by dash in the year. The time your answer is Robert Noyce in the year of 1959. Smart cards can provide personal identification, just I told, authentication information, data storage, and application processing. Applications include identification, financial information, public transit information, computer security information, schools, and healthcare. Any kind of data is possible to capture in the small area of chip is there. So there's small information about smart cards ma. So మనకి last year కాకుండా last year అడిగాడండి 5 marks కి. So maybe chance in your question paper, please put a maximum focus on these 3 categories. Anyone compulsory chance in the examination point of view. I hope all of you received the valuable information from this class and listen carefully once again and take a lot of reviews. If you not realize, you're not understood, then if you realize, then please write this information promptly in your notes. Up to this, we successfully completed the 3rd unit in the electronic commerce. Is clear, no? Please update your notes promptly, carries 20 marks, inform to you, your friends all. Thank you very much.